guys. Here's everything that we got with it. Got a 3-jaw chuck with the other jaws and a key. We got a broken quick key which needs to be redone. We got a steady rest. We got a follow rest. That's the part that mounts. And we got the headstock here with the flat belt that we're hoping is going to be in pretty good shape once it starts working and loosens up. Alright, then we got something here that doesn't come with the lathe. This is a chain vise for pipes. So that's something a whole lot different. That's for something else. So that I'll restore and probably sell it, because I don't have no reason for it, I don't believe. So we'll put that aside. Alright, these here are the things that holds the tail or the headstock down to the ways or the bed. We got a whole bunch of adapters here, all the regular lantern type tool post tool holders. We're going to use quick change on it. I'm taking the one off of my Grizzly and putting on this. We got a live center and boring bar with a wrench. We got a 4-jaw chuck, we got the tailstock, even got the dauber, which is a sought out item, and got a couple little chucks, Morse taper 2. This one here is just a straight. I guess you just put that in a chuck, another chuck, just to get smaller size. It needs cleaned up a little bit. I did get a 3/4 inch chuck, but I don't have a K4 key like that. This one's too small for it. I did get a Jacobs keyless chuck that I need to get an arbor for. This threads onto an arbor. The 36B 3/4 inch Jacobs chuck, it also needs a arbor. So I'll probably keep my chuck and let the 3/4, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I got a lot of thinking to do. So let me take you off the tripod and show you what all we got here. Got the headstock here. Everything seems to work pretty freely. Then we got the unit for the motor and the belts, and we got the reverse and forward switch. So that's pretty cool to have that. And then we've got the pulley here. And I hope it's all there. Oh no, I think it's missing something. I think it's missing that part right there. It is. We got to have another one of these for here. So it's missing that part. Oh, that sucks. It's not in here. It's missing. So this is all the stuff that we got. And then here is the saddle. And here's the milling attachment. And then here is the bed. Needs some cleaning up. The legs crafted tuck with him. And then we've got the chip pan. And it's metal. And when I put this lathe in here, it's going to come from here to here. So it's going to fit perfect. When I moved this shorter grizzly in, I had to step it up with a 2x6 and bring it over, so that 2x6 goes to right here, and then this bolts to the 2x6. Well, when I go to put this Logan here, it's going to mount to this. I can take this out and bring it back down to size where it's supposed to be. And I've already got the hole back here in the back. This is a mess. So there you have the first look at the Logan lathe. I got a lot of work to do. A lot of work. One piece at a time. Oh, and we got the lead screw. I didn't show that. Let me show that. Got the lead screw. So, there you have it, the first look of the Logan lathe. And we even got a thread protector, a brass thread protector for the chuck. I thought that was pretty cool. Never had one of them thread protectors. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you want to help the shop out, you can do so by PayPal at bisonworkshop@gmail.com. You guys have a good one. Later.